multiplication tips or tricks on binomials whose coefficients of variables are 1. Okay, so the pattern would be this one: x squared plus blank x plus blank. So 5 plus 3 is 8, then 5 times 3 is 15. So all you need to do is to add this one and then multiply this one. So it becomes x squared plus 8x plus 15. Number 2, we just write x squared plus blank x plus blank. 7 plus negative 3 is positive 4. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. It should be x squared plus 4x minus 21 because positive times negative is negative. Next, a squared plus blank a plus blank. Negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Then it would be a squared minus 3a minus 10 because again positive times negative is negative. And for the last item, b squared plus blank b plus blank. Negative 4 plus negative 11 is negative 15. Negative 4 times negative 11 is positive 44. So b squared minus 15b plus 44.